Okay, today we'll take a quick look at this used Motorcraft Cartridge oil filter, number FL-2062-A. And a viewer whose name is Dwayne Desisto from New Hampshire sent me this oil filter. Thanks, Dwayne. This filter was in service for 2,600 miles and came off of Dwayne's 2019 Ford F-150 4x4. Yep, the one with the 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine. Total mile on his vehicle is 20,993. So let's get started.
It's just a matter of you gotta glue the silicone, get nice and tight, get your inner here, filtration, and here.
Okay, so if we take a look at the box, we'll see on here it says high efficiency, high capacity, meets Ford new vehicle warranty requirements. Really doesn't have too much information on this box. We look down here, it'll say contents imported, see article for country of origin. Okay, so let's open her up. And usually it'd be printed on here where it's made, but this filter doesn't have nothing. So it might have been printed on here and it got washed off with the oil. I don't know. But I marked it right here. So here's the seam. This is an inside seam right here. And I counted 43 pleats. I couldn't find any information on this filter media or the micron rating. So I don't know, what you see is what you get here. It's I would guess it's probably the same as all the other Motorcraft filters, but I don't know. And Dwayne's using a Pennzoil Ultra Platinum 5W30 on this vehicle. And I'll put a little picture up here of what the cap looks like that this goes into. And I believe it mounts on the engine just like this. So let's cut this filter open. Oops, I almost forgot to get the measurement on this. 4.95 inches wide. I cut it a little bit there with the calipers. Alright, so we'll cut this filter open, squeeze it out, stretch it out, and I'll be right back. Okay, here's the filter stretched out, and this filter is 32.5 inches long. Okay, let's get the thickness of this filter media. 0.55 millimeters thick. It's on the thin side. 0.57. Yeah. Some thin stuff. This is the filtering side. This is the back side. You can see it's rather flimsy. Let's take a look at it under a microscope. Yeah, so you can see some dirt particles that it caught. And let's take a look at this filter up close. You can see that this filter is really, really clean. There's like no soot on here. It's got a couple of dark spots, but that's nothing. Yeah, this is really clean. Not really much to talk about this filter here. Right here. Right here's the inside seam. See right there. See something there, but there's a couple little sparkles in here, but nothing that I can even actually really see with the camera. So look at the inner here, and this here has FMC on it. See that? You can see through there. So Famoco. And I was doing some more looking up online, and I found out that these filters are made in Brazil. So there you go. But yeah, this all looks good. Looks good. So there's not really much more to say about this oil filter except for it's really clean. And again, I want to thank Dwayne for sending me this oil filter. And I think I'll wrap this video up. And don't forget, Oil Filter Friday. I open up a new automotive oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and take care.